This is Falling Over the Rain by Billy Joel.
Once upon a time in the land of misty satin dreams, there stood a house and a man who painted nature scenes. He painted trees and fields and animals and streams, and he stayed because he did not mind the falling of the rain. No, he didn't mind the falling of the rain. Forest green lived a girl who put her hair in braids, and she sang as she walked all about the wooded glades. She was glad when the rain came falling on her face, and she sang because she did not mind the falling of the rain. No, she didn't mind the falling of the rain. Will it always be the same as we recall? Does it touch you when the rain begins to fall? But I don't want to know, and I don't want to see another rainy day without you lying next to me. High upon a hill, far away from all the dusty crowd, is a boy with his eyes on the ground, his head is bowed.